फिस्कल डेफिसिट और करंट अकाउंट डेफिसिट, इन दोनों को आप ट्विन डेफिसिट कह रहे हैं?
No, mainly fiscal deficit followed with current account deficit. Yes.
Right.
The twin deficit that we talk about. Okay. Now, higher debt
Okay.
followed with dwindling stock market, so the returns are not stagnant. Investor, so this is a whole new level of low. Now it is the first time since 1952 in more than 60-70 years that the GDP has growth fallen to negative. Why? Because of this major chunk. Services sector contribution to GDP is 61%, but its actual growth is minus 0.6%. It was always in the positives, and the target was estimated around 4.6%. Again, when we talk about agriculture sector, agriculture is the only sector in which the actual growth was positive, having a growth of 2.7%. Its contribution is only 19% in the service sector. And if you look at wholesale and retail trade, it fall. We'll come to know that why the services sector was affected and the GDP contribution is only 20%. So a lot to talk about. Why, if we delve further, we will come to know that why the services sector was affected. It was affected due to the lockdown situation, due to coronavirus, due to quarantine. And if you look at wholesale and retail trade, it fall to minus 3.4%. But the major hit that caused the negativity in the service sector was the transport sector. In transport sector, the rate of growth is minus 7.1%. Although government announced 1.2 trillion for fiscal stimulus package, and this is a positive we will be talking about in the solutions as well. Agriculture sector, strong growth 2.7%, which is greater than 0.6% in previous year. Why? Due to the increase or to the growth in the major cash crops. Now, when we talk about industry, large scale manufacturing, it is one of the most debated things that why large scale manufacturing is negative minus 7.8% because of high tariffs, because it is not facilitating the investors. When we talk about mining and quarrying, it is minus 8.8%. Okay. The second is fiscal budget distribution. If we look at it, we are spending a major chunk into interest payments followed with defense payments. And similarly, we are getting a major revenue from tax receipts and from capital receipts. Very less is being generated from capital receipts. That is a sign of concern. Now 12.6% is borrowing and only 9% is PSDP. That is the thing that to look for. Now the fiscal deficit.
भाई एक मिनट पीछे कीजिएगा सर, लास्ट साइड पे कीजिएगा।
हाँ,
इसमें ये जो कैपिटल रिसीट्स हैं ये थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करेंगे क्या चीज है?
कैपिटल रिसिप्ट्स वो है कि जो आपने क्या कहते हैं उससे कमाया, क्या कहते हैं वो जो फीस वगैरह नहीं होती यूनिवर्सिटीज वगैरह की।
किसकी फीस में भाई?
यूनिवर्सिटी।
अच्छा, वो तो बैंक बोरिंग में नहीं आ गया वैसे।
नहीं, बैंक बोरिंग तो आप वो खुद ही बोरो करते हो ना, एक्सटर्नल नहीं होता।
लोकल बोरिंग फ्रॉम स्टेट बैंक,
वो जो पीआईबी वगैरह आप करते हो तो ये तो बैंक जो खरीद लेते हैं टी बिल्स वगैरह, तो ये बैंक बोरिंग।
अच्छा अच्छा। और ये जो प्रोविजनल सरप्लस है ये क्या चीज है?
क्या चीज? प्रोविंशियल सरप्लस। ये प्रोविंसेस को जो कहाँ पे, ये प्रोविंसेस ने जो एक्स्ट्रा कमाया है इस दफा अपने टैक्स को, जो
अच्छा ये
वो जो उनको एक्स्ट्रा कमाया है वो ये 3%।
अच्छा ये प्रोविंशियल सरप्लस है।
हाँ हाँ।
ठीक है, गुड।
Now when we talk about fiscal deficit, although the position has improved, right, significantly, it is now only 7.5% of GDP against 9.1%
जबरदस्त है, नाइस स्लाइड।
previous year। हाँ यार, ये कोशिश की है। Now why the improvement is different, because the tax revenue basically grew by 10.8% and the non-tax revenue grew in terms of telecom licenses, renewal fees, and the total revenues grew by 31%. Now why there is growth? The growth is followed by a revision in FED, that is federal excise duty, tax rates on salary slabs, and end of preferential treatment that used to happen previously. Now looking at high debt to GDP ratio.
नूर भाई बैक कीजिएगा एक मिनट।
हाँ बोलो।
Tax revenue grew by 10.8%, non-tax revenue grew